This video is about why and how we refurnished our Phoenix OP machine by Trinity OP system. The reason is we bought the machine May 25th, 2022. We bid the machine. And we bought it from greenglights.com when our truck mount died. So I need a reliable system to do the carpets and flooring, remove some haze from new tile, things like that. We decided to drive 13 hours to Kentucky, and before that we went to the car wash and we put some sealant or coating on the car because I don't want any kind of bug to stick on the paint. We put Rain-X in case that it rains. So after that, I went with Sonia and Picasso to buy some ice cream, relax a little bit because it was a long drive. GPS said 13 hours, we made it in 14 hours and a half, something like that, because we had to stop for gas and rest a little bit. Even though we didn't rest, we didn't stop to sleep. We changed the driver. At the beginning, Sonia was driving, and then the last 3 hours I drove 2 tops. They were expecting me. I was talking with Charles. Mike recommended us, and I was so happy and I was scared at the same time. And I want my machine brand new again. So we pulled to the tops at 8:30 in the morning. They were open at 9. We put the machine behind the car because we bought a cargo carrier behind our Pine Finder. On top of the cargo was a box, and we put the machine inside the box. You're gonna see somewhere a photo. We want that space because we slept in the car. We don't want to pay hotel. We have some budget to invest and refurnish that machine. After we drop the machine and they take care of that, we went to Steak and Shake with Picasso and Sonia, eat some breakfast, and then sleep in the car in one corner next to Steak and Shake near the Top's office. It was hot, but at the same time windy, so we opened the back of the car and we rest a little bit. It was fun, and in the meantime they were working in refurnish our Phoenix. Then we went back to the office. Every single person who works there was friendly, they help us to understand the maintenance of the machine, and they let me use the Grumpy. They show me the warehouse, they explain other machines that they have for sale, and it was a great experience. We are grateful. We also bought the tile brush. We bought some pads. We bought the Gladiator cotton blend pad to dry the carpets and the tile. Sonia was using the Padman machine. They was showing me the speed, how it functions, and maybe in the future we are gonna buy this machine for stripping and BCT. So at the beginning, our Phoenix was dull. We didn't do any kind of maintenance for 3 years. They had to remove the bearing. They have to change the center plug, the O-ring. They have to change the plunger, many parts, and they also disassemble the whole machine and they paint again everything. I want to thank every single person that helped me to accomplish this. It was really important for us to have a well-maintained machine, proper equipment to serve all our clients. This is Sonia and Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. And thank you so much. Enjoy the video. PS, because we finished Friday like at 7, we are heading right now to Indianapolis to stay in the state park, and we are gonna sleep there, and then on our way back we are gonna go to Georgia. We are gonna visit again Helen in Georgia. It's a beautiful town. So we finished like 7, so we want to spend the weekend visiting other places, and we are gonna get fun at the same time we are working. Bye bye.